How to fix YouTube is not opening in Chrome. So if YouTube is not opening on your browser, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to fix this. So first thing you need to do is go and click on the three vertical dots in your browser and then scroll down and click on extensions and press manage extensions. Now what you need to do is go and disable and turn off all of your Google Chrome extensions. Now you can do that just by making sure these buttons are toggled to off. Now once you've done that, try opening YouTube and checking if that solves the issue. If it's not working, click on the three vertical dots again, scroll down to the bottom and select Settings. From the left hand side, scroll down to About Chrome, and then it will check for any updates and go and update your Chrome browser. So as you can see, my browser is being updated automatically, so you just need to wait for this to get to 100%. Now on the left hand side, you'll need to scroll up and click on Privacy and Security. Now select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure all time is selected like this and then press delete data. And once your data has been deleted, you can check to see if YouTube is now working. If you're still having an issue, the final step is to come back over to the settings. This time scroll down to reset settings, click on restore settings to their original defaults and go and press the reset button. Once you've done that, you should be able to open YouTube on your Chrome browser.